Hello, this is Shuttle Commander Jet. Welcome to the Space Shuttle 24. Next to me is my second in command, Brian. Also on board are mission specialists Shane, Waleed, Eddie, Prisma, Jacob, and Gianna. We will be taking you on a quick tour of our solar system. We hope you enjoy the trip. Let's start off with mission specialist Eddie as we approach the planet of Mercury.
Welcome to the planet Mercury. This is Mission Specialist Eddie, and I'm here to tell you about Mercury. Its size and diameter is 4,879 kilometers. Its color is gray, and the distance from the sun is 0.39 AU. Its name means a nickname for fleet-footed runners. Its position from the solar system is 0 planets from the sun. Orbit around the sun takes about 88 days. The length of a day is about 58.9 Earth days. The temperature of Mars is around The temperature on Mars depends on the day. During the day it's hot. During dawn it's cold. And it has 0 moons, and it has 0 rings. Mercury is made up of iron and rock. Galileo discovered it in the late 16th century. These are 3 interesting facts that I thought were pretty cool. It has no atmosphere, second densest planet, and a planet close to the sun. Our next planet will now be Venus.
Hi, my name is Prisma and I'm from Venus. It is the hottest planet and the brightest planet in our solar system. Its diameter is about 3,760 miles. It was discovered by Galileo in 1610 and named after the Roman goddess Venus. It is the second planet from the sun and is 7,200 astronomical units from the sun. It takes 224.7 days to orbit and 244 days to rotate. Its average temperature is 864 degrees Fahrenheit. It has no rings and has an iron core and a rocky mantle. It is sometimes referred to as the morning star or the evening star, since it is so bright. Now we'll be going on to Earth.
Hi, my name is Jacob from Earth, and I'm going to talk about Earth has a diameter of 12,756 kilometers. It is blue, green, and white. It is 1 astronomical unit. Earth doesn't actually have a mythical god. It is an English-German word which means ground. It is the 3rd planet from the sun in the solar system. It takes 1 year or 355 days, 0.25 days to orbit the sun. The length of a day is 24 hours and the average temperature is 59 Fahrenheit. It only has 1 moon and it has no rings at all. It is mostly made out of rock, water, oxygen, and silicon. The astronomer Nicholas Copernicus discovered Earth. He discovered it in 1515. 3 interesting facts about Earth is it is not round, it is actually geoid around the equator. It has a bulge. The Earth was once believed to be the center of the universe, and Earth is slowing down by approximately 100 milliseconds, 17 milliseconds a 1 year. Now we are going on to Mars.
Welcome to Mars, or as many call it, the Red Planet, home of the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Right now, we're 1.524 astronomical units away from the sun, or as you could say, we're on the 4th planet. Now, as you can probably tell, Mars is a bit different from Earth. Over here, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the year is 686 Earth days. This little planet was discovered in 1657 by Christian Huygens. To be honest, I think Mars is the best planet. I mean, even the name is cool. It came from the Roman god of war and agriculture. Mars also has 2 moons, Phobos and Des Moines. That pretty much wraps up our Mars tour, so let's get on the shuttle and head to Jupiter.
Hello, this is Space Mission Space Specialist Jet, and right now we're on Jupiter. The size is 142,984 diameter, and its color is shades of white, red, orange, and yellow. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Distance from the sun is 5.20 AU, and it's named after the mythical god, after the Roman god of ancient Egypt. And it's the 5th planet in our solar system, and it has how long it travels around the sun is 4,333 days on Earth. Length of a day takes 9.92496 hours, and the temperature is 90,032 degrees Fahrenheit. It has at least 67 moons, and it has 3 rings around it. It's made up of helium and hydrogen, mostly, and the person who discovered this planet was Galileo Galilei in 1610. Jupiter. 3 amazing facts that I thought were super cool. Jupiter has, its stripes and swirls are cold, windy clouds of this water stuff. It's not water, but it looks like water. Jupiter has a great red spot with bigger than Earth and has raged for hundreds of years. In 1610, Galileo discovered Jupiter has 3 rings. And now we're headed to Saturn.
Hi, my name is Shane, and I'm here for the planet Saturn. Its size is 120,596 kilometers. Its color is a yellowish brownish color, and the distance from the sun is 9.54 astronomical units. Saturn got its name. How it got its name is from a Roman god of wealth and agriculture. Its position from the solar system is the 5th from the solar system, and it takes 29.5 Earth years to orbit around the sun, and it takes 10 hours for Earth day. And its temperature is 280 degrees, and it has 62 planets. And it has 8 rings. It's made from who discovered the planet is Galileo in 1610. And now we are moving on to Uranus.
Hi, my name is Brian, and now we're on the planet Uranus. The size is 175 miles. Its color is light blue. It's 1.784 billion miles away from the sun. It got its name from the grandfather of Zeus. It's the 7th planet from the sun. It takes about 84 Earth years to revolve around the sun, and it takes about 18 hours to rotate, 17 hours to rotate. Its average temperature is about 242.2 Celsius. It has about 27 moons and has 17 rings. It is made of water, mantle, and has a rocky core. The person who discovered the planet is William Herschel in 1781. Here are some cool facts about Uranus. Uranus is not a gas giant, but an ice giant. Uranus rotates up and down and not side to side. Uranus is a form of energy. Now we're moving on to Neptune.
I'm going to be doing the planet Neptune. The size is 429.54 kilometers. And the color is blue. And the AU is 30.7. And it's named after the god of sea. And the solar system has 8. And it's been around for 165 years. And it rotates 16 hours. And it's negative 218 degrees. And it has 13 moons. And it has 6 rings, and it also was made by Galileo, and it's made out of gas and ammonia, and I thought these 3 things were cool about it. It was negative 218 degrees. It has 8 solar systems, and it has 13 moons.
Thank you for coming on our adventure. This is Space Shuttle 24, and I'm Jet, and this is us signing off.